Dear students, in this video we will see some phrases which can be utilized in simple sentences. Carry on. Please carry on, my dear. That means please proceed. Go up, my dear friend. You can go to the top. Get out of it. To come out from this, you can say get out. Take it out. You can use the phrases take it out from the situation. That means remove it from the situation. Come down, my dear friend. Come down, my dear friend means you can use be cool. Put down. I'll put you down, my dear friend. That means I'll put you down means I'll take revenge on you. Put up this paper to him. Please submit this paper to him. Turn up, my dear friend. Turn up. That means turn it back. That means just turn it back. You can use. Get along with him. Get on. That way you can use it. Bring up the children. That means growing the children. Bring in. Bring in means bring in the flowers to me. That means get the flowers to me. Look back. Whatever you do, please look back. That means just recheck. That is the meaning of it. Look down. Don't look down, my dear friend. That means you should not bow down. It's a very interesting way you can use these simple phrases in simple sentences.